Pawn d2 to d4. Pawn d7 to d6. Pawn e2 to e4. Pawn g7 to g6. Knight b1 to c3. Knight g8 to f6. Pawn f2 to f4. Bishop f8 to g7. Knight g1 to f3. Pawn c7 to c5. Bishop f1 to b5, check. Bishop c8 to d7. Castle kingside. Pawn c5 takes d4. Knight f3 takes d4. Knight b8 to c6. Bishop c1 to e3. Pawn h7 to h5. Knight c3 to e2. Knight f6 takes e4. Rook f1 to e1. Rook a8 to c8. Knight d4 takes c6. Pawn b7 takes c6. Bishop b5 to d3. Bishop g7 takes b2. Rook a1 to b1. Rook c8 to b8. Bishop d3 takes e4. Queen d8 to a5. Bishop e3 to d4. Bishop b2 takes d4, check. Knight e2 takes d4. Rook b8 takes b1. Queen d1 takes b1. Queen a5 to d2. Queen b1 to b8, check. Bishop d7 to c8. Queen b8 takes c8, checkmate.